Hello everyone, David Lewis here. And I'd like to ask all the service managers a question. And you can answer it internally, obviously, because I'm on video. And that question is this. How often does somebody call your dealership, ask for a price quote, maybe for a brake job, then actually makes the appointment and shows up for the appointment? Now, I know some of you are going to say, oh, it happens all the time that they do show up and we sell the service. But let's be realistic. It doesn't happen that often. Why? Because people are price shopping. What they're doing is they're calling the dealership and then they're calling those independent repair facilities, whether it be a tire shop, a repair center, and we're losing. And we're losing for a number of reasons. Number one is because those independent repair shops are quoting the base minimum and they're not using OEM parts. Sure, we might tell the customer it's OEM parts, but most people don't understand that. So let me give you a thought here. And the thought is this. Don't give a price. Offer a free diagnostic. Now, I know a lot of you are going to say to yourself, well, we got to pay the technician, but so what? So you pay the technician, but let's ask ourselves this. How many times do we do a diagnostic and then we sell the repair? It's an investment, and the investment is in that technician, and then the investment is that you as a service advisor will sell the repair. Give it a try. Think about it. Don't give prices because, again, you very rarely get the appointment and they very rarely show up. Sell a free diagnostic to see if that is the problem that they actually need resolved, and then track it. And if you do 20 of these, see how many of them actually come in, what it cost you for the diagnostic, and then how much you actually earn in revenue from what you sell. Give it a try. I think you're going to be pleasantly surprised. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope I inspired you. If you enjoyed the content, please like, share, and click the subscribe button. Once you subscribe, make sure to hit the bell so you can receive more content like this every week. And should you have any comments or questions, I'd love to hear them.